Hello everyone, how are you all? So today we are back again with another video. So in this video we are going to look how we can set up our burp scope. So as you can see here, my burp looks very messy. So what we can do is we just go into the scope part, and you can use like this. First, let's say you need to check for any URL, this one opera and something like that, and you can just click here and add to scope. But I don't like that, so what I do is I just do use advanced scope, and here you can see I click edit and protocol is any, and I just did opera. Okay, so what does it do? Like, I don't know how you guys are using, but it does the work for me. So as you can see, I have all the opera.com, like all of these which have the words opera are into it. So I also can do opera.com, and let's try. Yeah, let's do okay, and this will do. Let's apply it. Good, so it's much more better. So today in this video we are going to learn about like using burp suite, how I use it, and how you guys can use it for your betterment, because you know that today also most of the people use burp suite for your, what we call it, penetration testing, bug bounty hunting, and other stuff too. So let's first go on to the target page. I told about scope. I usually don't like just use this, and also you can do is like, if you are like me, just right click here and expand the branches. That's what I usually do, and here I have all the requests which I can view, but I don't do it like this. So let's collapse all the branches, and let's say I need to work on this. So what I do is I'll just expand the branches for this one. Okay, other than this we have proxy. I like work a lot in this HTTP history, and I do like whatever I'm doing, I just look here what are the things that I can change and what we are getting. Intruder and repeater you already know, I think. So collaborator also. So one more thing, that you can use this logger is very good, and I'll just tell you how I use logger. You can use logger or you can use this HTTP history. So let's say we need to test for this, and I send it to repeater, and you can do is like this. I did this, and now I can start searching for it, like what are the vulnerabilities that I can test here, and what are the things that may or may not be useful to us. So let's say I need to do HTTP1, but it changed to HTTP2. So here we have a nots option. So what I can do is I can add, let's say I tried HTTP2, but sorry, HTTP1, but it is changed again to HTTP2. So this way it will be much more better for me, and I'll be able to like remember, I'll not say most of the things, but I may be able to remember some of the stuff. So let's say I tried this, and if there is any change, so I'll do like something is changed. If not, I'll do like no change. Other than that, what you can do is, let's say you do passive scan on this. Okay, if not, you can also do active scan, but before that, I'll tell you, you can try to send this to intruder. And here we have, let's say, our, yeah, this resource pool and the payloads. Okay, so let's try here. First of all, not here, we can do it like, let's add this, and from list we'll try where as SQL injection, and let's try to attack it. And from here we need to check what are the response, let's say, issues, what are the changes in response, and like that. And if we didn't find anything, we can try like, let's clear it, and you guys can fuzz each and every place here. We can also do something like this. We can do host header attacks and all that. So we can try these things into intruder. Other than that, we have collaborator, but like, it's very good, but I like it. Let's say I go onto here and collaborator everywhere. So I install it, collaborator everywhere, and it will then use this Burp collaborator on each and every like this request. And if I get a callback, I'll be notified here. This is the sequencer, which like I try sometimes, but like for token and all, and also the decoder. I think most of you may be knowing about both of these. Comparer I use a lot. Let's say I tried SQL injection, but let's say I did this here, single quote, and there can be some issues, like let's say there may be some changes. So what we can do is, first of all, let's do this request and send it to where it comparer, this I send it to comparer, and then this one, let's send it to comparer. And now what I do is compare by words, so I can see what are the like words or something like that which are being changed and how they are being changed. So this helps a lot for doing like testing for some vulnerabilities which need this kind of stuff, and it will be a lot better for you. Let's say we did it's oath opera.com. Let's do it www.opera.com, and let's send it and see if there are any changes. So we can do it like send to comparer, and let's do words. Okay, wait, this one I think, yeah, it's okay. Like second and last, what are the changes in this? So no changes, I think. Yeah, there are no changes. So we can try some other things too with this, like testing for other vulnerabilities and all. I usually spend my most of the time into target, proxy, intruder, and repeater. So I hope you liked the video. If you did, please leave a like, and in comments please do let me know that what, like, on which tab you guys spend most of the time while hunting for any bug bounty, like doing bug bounties or penetration testing. So that is it for today. I hope you liked the video. If you did, please leave a like, and if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please do subscribe. And let's meet in another video. Till then, bye bye, and thanks for watching.